What is food craving? A food craving is an intense desire for a specific food. This desire can seem uncontrollable, and a person may feel as though they cannot satisfy their hunger until they get that particular food. How to replace cravings? When a craving for an unhealthful food arises, it may help to eat a more healthful alternative instead. Below are some of the most common snacks that people crave and suggestions of alternatives. Potato chips. Try replacing chips with a salty snack that is higher in healthful fats and protein, such as salted cashews or peanuts. However, bear in mind that nuts without salt are a more healthful option, as too much salt can be harmful. Air-popped popcorn is another healthful replacement for potato chips. Chocolate. Opt for chocolate that contains at least 70% cocoa, so that it is rich in antioxidants. As dark chocolate has a more intense flavor than milk chocolate, people may feel satisfied with a smaller portion. Candy or pastries. When craving sugary foods, try replacing them with sweet fruit, such as peaches, cherries, or melon. Keeping dried fruits, such as prunes or raisins, on hand may also be helpful for cravings on the go. Soda. Sparkling water with a squeeze of fruit juice or a slice of orange can replace a craving for soda. It provides a similar feeling to soda, but has fewer calories and less sugar. Cheese. Try replacing full-fat cheese with low-fat, low-sodium versions for a more healthful option. Nutritional yeast, a nutty, savory food, can lend a cheesy flavor to foods. Nutritional yeast is rich in B-complex vitamins and folic acid, and it often contains vitamin B12. Summary. Most people experience food cravings from time to time. These cravings can cause them to snack on unhealthful foods, which can lead to weight gain. Various methods, such as reducing stress and staying hydrated, can help people minimize their cravings. Substituting healthful foods for unhealthful ones can also help.